Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to extract text from any image in just one click using Canva. It's super easy and fast. First, just open your Canva and then just open your designs or upload the photo that contains the text that you want to extract. And then once it's uploaded, just click on the image and then go to edit. And then go to Magic Studio in this one and then just tap on grab text like this. Just tap on it and then Canva will instantly detect and display all the text found on your image like this, just like this, as you can see, like this. And then select the text that you want. Just tap on it, for example like this, and then just tap on grab like this. And then as you can see, Canva will convert it into a editable text right away like this. You can just edit it as you like. And okay, maybe like this. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.